Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar talked about the Kyoto Protocol. In 1997, the third conference of parties to the UN Framework Convention on the Climate Change adopted the Kyoto Protocol. The industrialized countries were requested to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions like CO2, etc., by 5% below 1990 level. This came about the realization of that fossil fuel burning has caused the global warming, and unless carbon monoxide is not controlled, the warming would lead to a dangerous situation. This reduction was to be complemented by 2008 and 2012. Developing countries like India and China, which had not been responsible for the historical emission to the atmosphere, were not required to reduce emissions. Kyoto Protocol on greenhouse gas emissions and global warming, which form the most important example of an international agreement convention on climate among the many which has been put in place since the Second World War. The Kyoto Protocol established two important things: the assignment of greenhouse emission target to developed countries and arrangement for emissions trading of six most important greenhouse gases, a trade which is valued at US 10 billion. The Kyoto Protocol was finally adopted after 13 6-hour non-stop final session on 11 December. The Kyoto Protocol is an international agreement linked to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. The major feature of the Kyoto Protocol is that it sets target for 37 industrialized countries and the European Community for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Those amount to an average of 5% against 1990 level over the 5-year period 2008 to 2012. The major distinction between the protocol and the convention is that while the convention encourages industrialized countries to stabilize CSG emissions, the protocol commits them to do so, recognizes that the developing countries are principally responsible for the current high level of the GHG emissions in the atmosphere as a result of more than 150 years of the industrial activity. The protocol places a heavier burden on the developed nation under the principle of common but differentiated responsibility. The Kyoto Protocol was adopted in Kyoto, Japan on December 11, 1907 and entered into force on 6 February 2005. The detailed rules for the implementation of the protocol were adopted at COP7 in Marrakesh in 2001 and are called at Marrakesh Accords. The parties listed in Annex B to the protocol had agreed to reduce overall emission of the six greenhouse gases to at least 5% below 1990 level by 2008 and 2012. Individual target vary. Russia, Ukraine have zero reduction, though they have already admit considerably less than their 1990 level. Three industrialized, three industrialized countries are permitted to increase their emission. Norway 1%, Australia 8%, and Iceland 10%. The agreement covers a comprehensive basket of six gases and includes an area of option for the reduction in the emissions.